All right, guys, 2025 BMW M3 competition. Can't go wrong with that. Beautiful car. All right, guys, so what we did, still got the factory converters there and there. And then we replaced the mid pipe with a Dinan X-pipe setup right off the shelf from HOLLEY Performance. So if you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. As you guys can see there, it's really nice, clean. The customer opted out. He said, I don't want clamps there. I want it welded. So we went ahead and welded it for him, as you guys can see there. And then the rest of it stayed the same. The mufflers in the back and the valve in the back. And there's the tips out the back right there on each side. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. BMW M3 competition with a Dinan X-pipe. It replaced the double resonators right there. Here we go. Go ahead. It's a lot louder. Yeah, it's a big difference. Here's idle. Right at 79. You want to give it gas? Press M2 on the steering wheel. There we go. That opened the valve now. Much better. That's what an M3 should sound like. It's so clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 107. One more. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and before Due West on Dickerson Pike. There's our beautiful shop. There's that beautiful Raptor in there just chilling, and this beautiful, beautiful 2025 M3 competition BMW. All it's missing is the tent. That's next. Go ahead. We appreciate HOLLEY bringing it down to us to get their Dinan X-pipe put on. Sounds so good. Again. Yes, sir. Let you guys hear on the inside. The inside of this beautiful BMW, guys. Wow. I want one now. I love the double screen. Love the white interior with the black stripe. That's cool. It's clean. Beautiful. BMW M3 competition with a Dinan X-pipe swap. Here we go. She's a beast. That sounds good. Look at that marble too. Be smooth. Enjoy, guys.